Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at 713 Tampines Street 71. We are seeing the 4A model with 100 square meter. Come, let's take a look at the unit. A playground and a fitness corner are nearby. Block 713 comprises of 78 units of 4-room flats and 26 units of 5-room flats, with the lease starting in 1997. The house is along the corridor, and across the street is Tampines North, where an upcoming part-town mall with Tampines North MRT and bus interchange. As you step in the house, the hall has a dining, and I use AI to improve hall's design. The current bedroom 3 condition, and after the enhancement, the existing condition of bedroom 2 and following the enhancements. The master room, and after the redesign have been applied. I did a redesign for the hall from another angle. The kitchen connects to the common bath and the yard for laundry. It is close to Tampines Hub, where you can enjoy hawker food and sport activities, as well as dine or shop at Century Square, Tampines Mall. Additionally, the house has a squarish layout, enables easy decoration and renovation plans for your family's lifestyle. So, if you would like to experience living in Tampines community, please give me a call for a viewing today. I will see you in the next video.